Hello guys, I will start this video with showing you where I will be install a plus wire. So I will take out this rubber and install the wire through the hole in the salon. So there it will go under that plastic all the way to the back. There will be subwoofer right there. This is the subwoofer, and all this mess I need to install in my car. So I need to remove a glow box to get better access. It's really easy, it's not rocket science. So now we got a better access. We need to remove negative side of the battery. Now we can install a wire. I will close the hole with aftermarket rubber, which has hole for the wire inside and sealing rubber outside. Oh, you get the point, I think. This should be the last step, but fuck it.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall, my love. If you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna
Now I will install. Now I will remove the plastic. I think I can push under, but I can't. I need to remove a screw to do that. So now I can do that. Be careful when you remove this plastic. Don't be animal. Don't be crazy. Don't break it. We need to remove back seat to get access to the screw what was under the seat, which holds that plastic down. You see the screw. When the wire is installed, you can put everything back together. Oh lol. It's really easy. It's kinda time. It took a lot of time. Relatively. Now I sending down paint for the ground to get better ground. Now I tighten it up. This is how the ground looks like. It's okay. So now I was installed this wire through the switch, but it didn't work. At first I didn't realize why, and after I think it's the switch fault. I wasn't show you how I installed these wires all the way to the back, because it's the same stuff what driver side, the same steps. This is not really like a do-it-yourself video, it's just an update what I have done, but it's sort of do-it-yourself too. If you understand something, you could install the subwoofer after this video yourself. You should be able to. It's really big mess, I know. I hide wires in... After I finished, I hide wires little better, but it shows a bit, but it's nothing big deal. There I almost shit myself. Forgot. This thing happens. I hope my English is improved a little bit. I was trying to improve it. It's really hard to pronounce the words, but I think it's better now. So now I will show you how it worked before subwoofer. How this... You got the point. So how can you see? It's nothing big deal. This is how it sounds after. It's Haggard as testing, all wires shows. But there I realized all it was switch fault, because why subwoofer didn't work. After this video I measured the wire, cut the right size and isolate with a electric tape. Now it's little bit boomsy. It's nothing big deal, but it's major improvement. So how can you see? This is perfect place for amplifier. and there it's all finished. Wires didn't showing no, you get the point. Wires are hidden, everything's good. You can see in the track little bit, but it's nothing big deal. I can live with that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell me what kind of video you want to see in the future. Little bit detailed or little bit less detailed. Just tell me what you want to see. Thanks. Bye.